Well, we're at the Michelangelo Hotel here on West 51st Street and 7th Avenue in Manhattan. This is one of their standard rooms with a king bed. I really wanted twins, but apparently they sell out really quick. And when you're booking on one of those, you know, extra inventory sites, Hotel Tonight, Booking.com, whatever, you basically get last choice. So they're going to be wheeling in a spare bed that my daughter's going to stay in for the 2 nights that she's here. But I mean, definitely nice. It's very quaint, nice hotel lobby. A little dark in here, but you know, let's see if we can see at a view of the office building. But yeah, I mean, it's got everything you need. TV, you know, all of your drawers are in here. Plenty of room for stuff. Oh, M&M's, she cannot touch any of that. You know, I've got my laptop set up. You know, they've got lots of closet space, which is, you know, about the same as it always is. You know, and the bathroom is very nice. So it's got a tub, which is actually, that's a good thing. A lot of the budget hotels, like the Walker or some of these other like Pods or whatever, you know, they just have a stall shower. This, I don't know if you guys can see it from there, but you got a nice little tub area here. Plenty of towels. You know, I mean, I'll set this up in here a little later so we can transition. You know, you can see all the other amenities. Obviously, like a powder makeup area. I have my drives over here, but there's no sockets over there, so these are going to have to get plugged in over here because I've got a shoot tomorrow and another one on Friday, but this will do just fine. Now I'll just put this in here like this. Okay, now I'm going to take this over here. It's called editing. As far as it goes. Doesn't really go, I don't know, maybe it's busted or something like that, but yeah, you got an office building. Looks like everybody's back in the office. Anyway, let's get some stuff done.